Hello, and welcome to another video, where we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're discussing a new survey from CNBC SurveyMonkey that casts light on the American workers' perspectives on AI and their jobs. It's a comprehensive report that raises significant points and questions about the future of work in an increasingly automated world. Firstly, the report highlights that a quarter of American workers are worried about AI making their jobs obsolete. This is a substantial number and speaks volumes about the prevailing fear of automation and job displacement in the workforce. But interestingly, this concern is not uniform across all demographics. When it comes to age, younger workers, those between 18 and 24, express more apprehension about AI taking over their jobs, with 32% worried. In contrast, only 14% of workers aged 65 and older share the same concerns. This could be a reflection of younger workers' awareness of the rapid advancement of technology and its potential to transform job markets in the years to come. Differences also emerge based on race. Among white workers, only 19% express worry about AI, whereas the concern is significantly higher among Black, 32%, Hispanic, 35%, and Asian, 38% workers. These disparities raise questions about the varying perceptions and experiences of technology among different racial and ethnic groups, which merit further investigation. Income is another significant factor. The lower the income, the greater the worry about AI displacing jobs, with 30% of those earning less than $50,000 expressing concern, versus 16% of those earning more than $150,000. This could be indicative of the sectors these income groups work in, with lower income roles potentially being more susceptible to automation. The survey also breaks down fear levels by industry, revealing that workers in advertising and marketing and business support and logistics feel particularly vulnerable. It's a significant point as it illustrates that the fear of AI is not limited to traditionally automation-prone sectors, but also extends to knowledge-based industries. The majority of the workforce doesn't seem to be worried about AI taking their jobs, but still, 43% of workers anticipate significant changes in their jobs due to AI disruption within the next 5 years. This implies a broad recognition that even if AI doesn't eliminate jobs entirely, it will transform the nature of many jobs. Despite these concerns, a surprising number of workers don't yet use AI in their roles. The survey shows 64% of workers don't use AI at all, with only 8% stating it's necessary for their work. This presents an interesting paradox. While there's widespread apprehension about the impacts of AI, its actual use in workplaces remains relatively limited. Experts like Michael Chui from the McKinsey Global Institute argue that AI will not just displace jobs, but also augment many roles and increase productivity. Even top executives like Apple CEO Tim Cook are using AI tools such as ChatGPT, indicating the expanding role of AI at all levels of work. This underscores the need for workers and organizations to embrace AI and develop skills to use it effectively. The questions raised by this report are crucial. How can we address the fears and uncertainties around AI and jobs? How can corporations and HR departments prepare for these technological changes? And importantly, how can education and training be optimized to equip workers with AI-related skills for the future? Discussions about AI and its implications should not be restricted to tech industry corridors. With 51% of workers reporting no discussion about AI at their workplaces, it's clear that there's an urgent need for widespread dialogue. Encouragingly, 23% of C-level executives and 27% of VP-level executives have had considerable discussions about AI, suggesting a growing awareness at the leadership level.